Welcome everybody, this is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 319. This is the final box of this inner case. We acquired the whole master, so the other inner starts tomorrow, box 1 of SPX, and it ended Wednesday, June 16, 2021. The serial number you see there was listed in all the eBay listings, and we will be sure to show that before we open up the box. Everybody here has been with me before, so no need to go through the rules and talk about shipping delays. Let's just get to it. A. Paquette owns the Sabres, the Oilers, the Predators, the Islanders, the Lightning, the Leafs, and the Toronto Maple Leafs. Cathonic owns the Blackhawks, the Devils, the Flyers, the Sharks, Vancouver, Washington, and Winnipeg. Heave owns the Canadiens, the Blues, and the Knights. Mazelma owns the Ducks, the Kings, and the Rangers. Nikia owns the Stars, the Panthers, the Penguins. Stuffer owns the Coyotes, the Hurricanes, and the Wild. Top Shelf owns the Bruins, the Flames, and the Avalanche. And rounding us out, Welly 8488 has the Jackets, the Wings, and the Ottawa Senators. 877-1271. As we switch over, let's get that out of the way. 877-1271. Final box of the inner. Let's end with a bang. Good luck, everyone. And again, hope to see you guys tomorrow night. Box 1 of SPX of the other side of the inner goes tomorrow, along with Trilogy. Here we go. Our first hit goes to Johnny Gaudreau, Extravagant Materials, for your Calgary Flames. I'll show you the back of that card. Congratulations to Calgary. Pack 2. Oh, we have a nice black obsidian. Let's hope it. Oh, it's purple. Those are a little bit more rare, and it's a rookie. There's a filler for your Columbus Blue Jackets. That is a nice thick card. Liam Foudy, short print out of 99. Purple variation of the black obsidian rookies. Congratulations to Columbus. That is a big card. And it has some weight to it. Our next hit goes to SPX rookie jerseys for your San Jose Sharks. Maxim Lutonov. Congratulations to the San Jose Sharks. Our final pack belongs to, it is auto, your Washington Capitals, Connor McMichael. Rookie jersey autograph. Those are nice looking cards. And this one seems to be out of 165. I'm not sure if that's a shorter print than usual, but congratulations to Washington. And I'll show you the back of that. Congratulations to the winners. I hope to see you guys tomorrow night. Thanks, everybody.